Right, we're going to do a DVD unboxing video for June 11th, 2021, in which we got a package off eBay. Without further ado, we're going to go ahead and open this up. Oh, hold on. Whoops. Oh, sorry, that was my camera charging. It's already fully charged. Sorry, we just have to wait a little bit longer because I get the plastic off the slipcover of the DVD, and we got the 2021 DVD of The Crew's A New Age. It includes 2 all-new exclusive shorts. Perfect for the whole family. Bonus features includes 2 all-new exclusive shorts: Family Movie Night, Little Red Banana Bread, and Dear Diary World's First Pranks. Plus, lead scenes How to Draw Caveman Style, Stone Age Snack Attack, Family's Album, and more. Rated PG for Pearl, action, and rude humor, and it's... Hold on. There we go. An hour and 36 minutes. There's a disc for Crew's A New Age. I don't know why, they put the DVD cover backward. There. See? that was 5 minutes long for me to do this. And that's going to wrap up the DVD unboxing video for June 11th, 2021. If you liked the video, please be sure to share, subscribe, comment, click the post notification bell. This video is now adjourned.